So now since my top is done and I have no more flyaways up there, some people want to have smooth hair throughout. I am one of those people. It kind of depends on my mood, to be honest. So you can also use this product. You can either brush it in and kind of smooth out those rough patches. You can also, let me get some more. Again, I twist my product. You can kind of layer it up on your fingers. And you can smooth it that way also, if you prefer. Both work just as good. So now your whole hair is flyaway free and feels like silk.